Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to loop SoundCloud songs on PC. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. And if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your soundcloud.com website on any of the browser that you use, and then you'll be over here in this platform. So from here, let's say just choose a song that you want to play in a loop. So I'm gonna go with the random song. So let's say I want to choose so let's just go with the pump and just see. Okay, this song that I want to, let's say, listen on a loop. So just press on it and then just play it. It will start playing. So to do in a loop, here is a small button which says repeat. Just press on it and then your song will be on loop. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.